If you are facing verification issues on Kraken due to multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the situation. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review requirements. Check the verification requirements on Kraken's website. Ensure you have all necessary documents ready, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing issues with the verification process. Step 3. Use a different browser or device. Try accessing Kraken from a different web browser or device. Sometimes technical glitches can occur due to compatibility issues. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generated and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They will guide you on the next steps to take for successful verification. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Kraken. If you continue to experience problems, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.